Hi, what's going on, guys? In my last video I have shown how to add this new privacy lighted fence, but when this is done I got another problem. In contrast to the new panels on the top, the existing fence spot looks so black and damp, which I haven't detected before. So I decided to do something to change it. I'm gonna use this Simonized electric pressure washer to clean it first. I know people said don't use power washer, it will hurt the wood fiber, but as it's so powerful, so easy, and I don't have to buy another sprayer and extra detergent, just need pure water. So I'm gonna give a try and I will show you how it will turn out to be at the end. As you can see on the powerful pressure stream, the color of the board surface just changed immediately. I have flushed the right part just one time so you can see the big difference. As this fence has been there for more than 10 years, and because of the moisture caused by the creeping plants growing on the fence before, some part of the boards are much more darker, so I may need to wash it for one more time. I have to mention here to protect the cedar wood surface as much as possible. Control the proper distance from your sprayer to the board, say 1 foot, which is just enough to clean the surface. Not too far and not too close. Then we are done with the cleaning step. The fence spot appears pretty good and looks almost brand new. This great cedar wood fence is shining with its original beautiful color again. Let's take a close look to check the surface of the wood. Here you can see the board on the two sides looks more rugged. The wood fiber is flush and not smooth anymore, while the middle board looks better, so it's important to ensure not to flush it too hard. But I would say if this is nature wood, even the surface fiber is hurt a little bit. According to its depth, it should be okay. It won't hurt the whole wood. And the rugged appearance is not a big problem, at least it's much better than its previous dark and dirty color. Then we can go with the second step, painting to stain. I use this Olympic waterguard product to give waterproofing protection to seal the cedar fence. Make sure the board has been totally dried 2 to 3 days after the cleaning. Then we can start to paint. Paint just with brush, very easy and simple. Brush evenly and make sure there's enough paint penetrating into every inch of the wood. We're finally done. What a beautiful fence, looking brand new again. The whole process is pretty easy and simple. Clean with power washer and a paint to stain. It took me about a week. That's it. Thank you for your watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and see you in the next video.